Vixen's fans have been saying she needs a Christmas outfit. And she thinks they're right, don't you, Vixen? So I thought I would make her a dress. I was originally wanting to make her a winter coat, but I thought there's going to be more work, more time. None of us are really inclined to do that at the moment. So I thought a nice dress would work. So we decided that she enjoyed wearing her summer dress so much in the Parisian stripes that she wore in France. So I thought I'd make another one of these because they're nice and simple, just with plain with a trim. So of course we went for classic red and white. So this is how far it is so far. Would you like to try it on if you can a little bit? Let's see. It's not going to go around corners obviously because I've started on straights. So it's down to your belly button now. It's like a straight jacket. Which is no bad thing where Vixen's concerned. So yes, so it's got like the furriness at the top. Yes, it does look a lot like your fur, the little trim. That's because it is the same as your fur. It's leftovers from making Vixen. So she's got the white around the collar and she's going to have white around the edges of the sleeves and then white down the bottom. So I'm nearly at the point where I join in the round, because on this dress you start off straight and then when you get down to the bottom of the button band, then you join in the round and carry on and finish that. So yeah, it's a nice simple dress. There's just some increases. You can see like the tulip shape. So she's got a bit of a tummy, so she needs that, especially with festivities. She wants to be able to eat plenty of mince pies and things. So yeah, we're making her one of those. And oops, I am knitting it in some drop snord, obviously, from something I already had in my stash, so I thought I'd use that. It's about a sports weight, so it's thicker than a the actual pattern is called for like a sports weight yarn, so I usually go for just a DK, so I'm holding 2 strands of this together to make a DK weight for it. So it's blowing up more brighter on the screen, as red does when it's on the screen, but it's more of a real Christmas red, this. So yeah, I think she's going to look pretty stunning in that, aren't you? So yes, that is the start of Vixen's Christmas dress. So I'm going to carry on with that this evening. That is from the Knitted Animal Friends book. And that particular pattern is, oh, it's a picture on the back of the duck. That's how it's actually supposed to be, with the orange and the light and blue stripes. But it's just a nice straightforward pattern to do whatever colour you want. This is a different pattern, similar style, but it's got a bit of like smocking on the front eyelets. And she's been wearing the same knickers for about 6 months, but we won't mention that. So yes, it's not quite going to match your shoes, is it? But they would go fine. You can still wear those shoes. You won't need new shoes. That'll be fine. So there we go. That's you sorted for Christmas. New dress. I've also been stitching on my Bothy threads shoe. I haven't got the main pic. Oh, there's the box up there. It's called Yuletide. It's one of their shoe ranges. And this is a cross stitch. And so I started this at the beginning of December as my Christmas stitch, and this is how far I've got. So I'm using the aider that was provided in the kit and all the threads, and so I am coming down the front of that foot where the buckles and things are. So I want to go to the toe, and then I want to work my way up the shoe so I can actually see the shoe. I like it when you can actually see what something is when I'm cross stitching. So yeah, that is how far I am at the moment, so I'm enjoying that. I'm doing all the red first, I think, just to make up that boot. There's about 3 different reds that go into that for the shading. So that is my cross stitch. We have moved on a couple of days. The light is going. Somebody's decided, even though the light's going, to start some power tools, but I'm going to do this section. I've no idea what I recorded before. I know what I was talking about, but I don't know where I was and what I said. But there has been a difference. Look what Gary's been doing. He has done the plastering. So, of course, my thoughts I've turned to having a bit of a sort out, a bit of a, what am I going to do with this wall? Do I want to change the other walls? Do I want to move furniture? Not yet, not before Christmas, but in the new year, I think I'm going to have, the lights need changing as well. So I think I'm going to have a complete reshuffle, good clean session, painting, maybe wallpaper. We shall see. But yes, something to look forward to brighten up January. So I have been knitting on Vixen's dress and I have got on quite well. So it starts at the top flat. This is the needles that I was using, and you have part of the sleeve. So as you can see, it's really bright on the screen. It's a real Christmas, dark Christmas red, this really. It's drops Nord held double. So I've got the cream at the top, then the red, and it is a raglan. So you've got raglan increases down there. And then at the bottom, I have just done a strip of the cream. And now I need to, because I'm using the same pattern as this, I need to create the little arms, so I'm going to use DPNs to just do some rounds on the arms. They're not very long, that's how long it is. So that won't take long, and then I shall finish it off with the cream again. So yeah, she has tried it on for size. It fits nicely. She's very happy with it. Plenty of room for dancing with the legs. So she does like to kick her legs up when she's dancing. So yes, that's how it looks at the back. So it's got the button band at the back, and so I need to find some red buttons for her. So that is how the dress is coming along. Also, I have been knitting on my sweater. Oh, lost the ball of wool, come on back. So once again, this is me knit in drops Nord. And this is number, colour 11. Once again, it's come up bright. Bring it back. That's more the colour. It's a little bit darker than that if you're seeing the same as I'm seeing. So it's a gingerbread colour, I'd say. So yes, this is 4-ply fingering. So I am using it just simply because this is basically the flax light pattern, which I'm wearing. This is the same one. But what I did, I thought to change it up, which I've got my arms inside. I don't know if I needed to do that. I think perhaps I would have been just as happy, if not happier, if I had just done a straight flax. But it's a lot of stockinette, so I thought I'd just do some for interest. I did the ranunculus yoke at the top. I don't know if you can see that. So it's got the ranunculus, but on smaller needles, so it's 3.5 needles. And so obviously it doesn't come down as far as a ranunculus because it's on smaller needles, so it's just on that top section. And so I did the numbers, then I sort of merged it into the numbers for the flax light and then carried on. So I'm using the flax light numbers, and yeah, so it's just added onto the top really. Please don't ask me what I did and numbers, because I made it up as I went along and we're all a different size, and I wouldn't want to take responsibility for your 4-ply sweater. So I've tried this on and it does fit me. So it's all fine. But the one thing I'm worried about is it's only that long at the moment, and all I have left is a partial ball and then 250 grams, 150 grams. So I'm going to have to see how far that takes me, because I do like my sweaters to come to hip length. I like them a bit longer, and it is sort of like a bit of looseness to it. That's my style at the moment. I used to go for more fitted, but I'm liking the looser style more. So I'm hoping it's going to be okay. But this is my one that I just pick up and do when I'm tired or I don't want to think about something. I want to do something, don't know what I want to do, don't want to think about it too much. So I have 2 sleeves and that much. So yeah, it's very cropped at the moment. It's probably down to my belly button, so I need a good few inches more than that. So I shall keep going, and then I will have more of an idea of how far, because I'm going straight, I'll have more idea of how far one 50-gram ball takes me, and then I'll just have to order some more and hope that it's going to, because it will be a completely different batch, that it sort of blends in okay. So that is what I've been up to. So my mind has been going to 3 things. Firstly, I want to sew some table mats. I've been looking through my fabric, my Christmas fabric. And so I want to get on the sewing machine and make some quite big table mats for just to put out and be a bit more festive, some soft furnishings. And also I'd like to do at least one more cushion cover for downstairs. I would also like to pull out that chart I'm going to start on the 1st of January, that cross stitch, and see what fabric I've got, and because I want to change up the thread as well, see what I'm actually looking at, because I'm going to be tight for time for actually ordering anything if I need anything. But I would really like to go through my stash and pull from stash, shop from home first before I start looking elsewhere. I think those are my plans at the moment. So yeah, how are you getting on with your Christmas shopping? I hope it's all under control. I think I am. Need to start wrapping. That's the thing, isn't it? You think you've done everything and then you start wrapping. It's like, I haven't got any paper, I haven't got any bags. So yeah, plenty to do, plenty to think about. So I hope you're taking time to have a cup of tea and relax and enjoy this season as well as do all the crazy things. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.